Discover the peaceful coastal beauty of Lang Lang in this relaxing travel and driving video featuring the scenic Lang Lang boat ramp and the tranquil Lang Foreshore Caravan Park, located along the shores of Western Port Bay. The Lang Lang boat ramp is a popular destination for fishing, boating, kayaking, and enjoying stunning waterfront views. With easy access to Western Port's rich marine environment, it attracts locals and visitors looking for a quiet escape surrounded by nature. Right beside the foreshore, Lang Foreshore Caravan Park offers a relaxing stay for campers, caravanners, and travelers exploring South Gippsland. The park provides powered sites, open green spaces, and peaceful coastal surroundings, perfect for weekend getaways, family holidays, or overnight stops while traveling through regional Victoria. This video showcases a calm drive and walk around the Lang Foreshore area, highlighting natural landscapes, coastal scenery, and the laid-back lifestyle that makes this hidden gem worth visiting. Enjoy the relaxing atmosphere, sea breeze, and beautiful views of Western Port Bay. Round Pushpin location, Lang Lang, Victoria, Australia. Speedboat boat ramp access. Camping caravan and camping facilities. Sunrise perfect for fishing, relaxation and coastal drives. If you enjoy Australia travel videos, scenic drives, camping destinations, and hidden places in Victoria, make sure to like, subscribe, and follow for more travel adventures across Australia.